Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the account and device. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID you want to update and that iOS is current. Once done, confirm the phone number can receive SMS or calls for verification. This is how Apple proves ownership. Then open Settings, tap your name, and select Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Tap Edit or Add Email or Phone Number, choose Add Phone Number, and enter the number exactly as digits with country code if required. Now you'll verify and assign the number to services. After entering the number, pick SMS or call verification. SMS is faster, calls are reliable if texts fail. When the 6-digit code arrives, type it into the prompt immediately. Codes expire. Once verified, make sure the number is enabled for iMessage and FaceTime in their settings, and set it as your trusted number for two-factor authentication. If you want account recovery, and finish by confirming the new number displays under your Apple ID and in iMessage/FaceTime settings. Sign out and sign back into other Apple devices to force sync. Make sure the number is marked as trusted for two-factor authentication if you rely on it for security. If anything goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode off and on, and request verification again. Then contact your carrier if texts still don't arrive, because the issue is often on the network side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.